Apex. Hey there, welcome to my Apex review. I'm Adam from Web Traffic Toolkit, and I generate a full-time income on the internet doing digital marketing, and I've been doing this for over 10 years now. So hopefully my experience working from home full-time doing this will help as you do your research in the latest Apex app launch on Warrior Plus. I've seen lots of these AI ChatGPT style softwares being launched recently, so we can dive in to look specifically about how this works and my thoughts on the pros and cons of this business model. And before we dive into looking at Apex, if you click the link below, click that link in the video description, you can discover my current top recommended system to plug into right now. It's a complete done-for-you system and a really cool way to get started building realistic online income, all focused on traffic generation and list building. So I'll put the link for that in the video description below. So what Apex is, it's another one of these done-for-you website creators where they host the website on their own subdomain, and then you're using their website template, and you simply type in keywords for the type of content you want generated, and they use an AI content generator tool to create blog posts to post on this done-for-you website template that is hosted on their own subdomain. So it's not quite as exciting as it sounds in terms of the sales page, because it's not suddenly going to magically send you all these clicks and visitors. It's just a basic software tool that creates done-for-you websites using keywords you type in, and it will spit out basic AI generated content for you to populate the website with. The traffic part of it is referring to how you could share it on social media platforms, because they've got this free social media sharing tool in the members area, and that's what they're getting at with the free traffic. But I'm always skeptical about those social media sharing tools when that's all they're referring to by the free traffic method. So we'll take a look at the steps here. On these website sales pages for these Warrior Plus launches, they tend to try and make it ultra easy, as though you've just got to click a couple of buttons, and people like that easy step-by-step method in their mind first when they see these sales pages. So that's why they do it. They keep it very vague and make it sound much easier than it is. So they claim the first step is just to log in to your Apex members area. Step 2 is to generate the website simply by typing in the keywords for the niche you want, and it will generate you a website based on these existing templates they have installed as part of Apex. And then this is where the traffic comes in. Basically, the traffic is just a number of well-known social media sites that you get to share your blog post to. So each time you've got a blog post, you can share this or just share the site URL in general to these social media sites. And they've got Facebook here, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Reddit, Tumblr, Quora, Dig. They've got lots of social bookmarking sites, messaging sites, and Web 2.0 platforms. So the idea is that's where the traffic comes in. And then apparently step 4 is just a profit. They don't really say where the profit's coming from. It does appear you will be monetizing it by placing advertising around your blog posts. So you could either do Google AdWords style advertising, where you get paid per click by installing AdWords code, or you could put links to affiliate offers in the sidebar. That's where they are referring to in terms of the profit. For me, the best way to make profit with content marketing is not the advertising surrounding the content, it's a strong call to action within the content itself. So you would have a button saying click here for my top recommendation within the content, so it makes sense to lead to that button and be very clear and strong with your call to action to divert to a lead capture page and build your email list, rather than this vague advertising in the sidebars. So with these traffic approaches, you're only going to get traffic from these platforms in the sharing area if you've already got a following on them. So Facebook and Twitter, you're going to need a following, and LinkedIn, you're going to need followings on these websites to get any clicks. And most people will have 0 followers on all these websites, and they will get no traffic. Maybe there'll be some social media backlinking that you'll get from sharing it. There'll be some sort of value in sharing it, but you're not going to get thousands of clicks like it says. The best websites to share blog post content to, or at least write an update on these sites to link back to your content to say you've published something, are the ones that may rank highly on the Google search engines. So if you see a website pop up highly ranking from other people, from other marketers on the Google search engines, they're the best ones to focus in on. So I often see LinkedIn and also Reddit going highly on Google. So if you can somehow get your LinkedIn Pulse articles indexed, that's a good way to curate your content onto LinkedIn from your blog post. And also Reddit sometimes ranks quite well. So something like Reddit, even if you don't have a following there, they can rank highly just because of the SEO authority of that website. So I don't think it's completely hopeless putting content on these type of websites, but most of them won't achieve much. For me, whilst this does what it says, it gives you a website, you can put content onto it, and you can share it on social media platforms, I would be less interested in this whole easy one-click approach and have more of a step-by-step marketing game plan in place where you're taught step-by-step how to go on ChatGPT, how to get it to write you a high-quality SEO article, how to tweak it to make sure it's really high-quality based and not just the first output they give you. And then you've got a strategic game plan of how to research the keywords, publish regular content. Maybe you can buy an expired domain on GoDaddy Domains, host it on your own website in domain and hosting, share it properly and professionally on social media websites you build up specifically for that purpose, how you can curate it on other sites like guest posting, Web 2.0 sites, hire people to distribute them as press releases. I'd rather have a much more structured step-by-step game plan than these one-click hype software tools that seem to come out on Warrior Plus. For me, what works in my internet marketing is focusing on combining free content marketing and paid advertising, and focusing on sending clicks to a squeeze page where I build my email list. And traffic generation and list building is what worked for me 10 years ago, more than 10 years ago when I was first getting started, and that's what actually got me finally getting results after a couple of years of not getting anywhere to start with. If you click the link below, if you click that link in the video description, you can discover my current top approach for that, my current recommended done-for-you system. It's a really cool way to get started building your own email list and earning high commissions by promoting top quality offers. So click the link in the video description below for my current top recommended online system. Thanks again for checking out my quick thoughts on the Apex app. All the best and speak soon.